Find your passion by joining a Bay East committee or work group. Bay East has several committees and work groups to help the Board of Directors carry out the association's goals and strategic initiatives. Volunteer today to help and in turn grow as a real estate professional and be part of the change-making process within the industry, from the affiliate committee to the Young Professionals Network. Find and grow your passion through Bay East leadership opportunities. Find a group that you are interested in by going to bayeast.org/committee-2, or for assistance, email LIDC@bayeast.org.